They are fighting with our officials now.
Man, the amount of wire, man, them thief, man.
Police vehicles always do the weirdest thing. This is not an emergency stop.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. Blessed Sunday, my people. Dancehall skilla there again, you know. Manners and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, so I see some videos that I want to talk to you about. I'm not able to talk about all of them in this video, but I'm going to try and talk about a certain amount of them. So, my people, first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person flashing one of his hands and the person was behaving certain ways. I mean, my people, I would like you to look at this video and tell me what you think this person was doing. Tell me if you ever see anyone do anything like this. Well, I kinda see someone kinda did something like this before, but not exactly the way we see the person and do certain things in other videos. The man say, people, yeah, I'm going to pay attention to the type of book that the person was holding. Observe the people. No, I'm not sure, but I know that there are some persons who might feel certain ways if someone did that and behave certain ways. And so I say, so, why not call that the people? Okay, so the next video I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when police from within the country of Jamaica recovered what I believe to be stolen cable wires. But people, I think a lot of people might have seen this video before, but just in case if you don't see it, let me present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. Oh, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Who there? Go around. Come. Man, the amount of wire, man, them thief, man. Hey, them man, yes, man.
Now, I'm not sure how police might have got some from an understanding about those things or so forth. So, my people, and you know, when it comes out of a situation like that, it's not the first time we hear about situations that are not exactly same as that situation, but somewhat similar. It's a way. Without police, there might be chaos. Well, anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, this next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show a police service motor vehicle at a certain spot. But more I listen to some words that a person said in this video, and you can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the words that the person said in this video. Observe.
When police vehicles always do the weirdest thing. This is not an emergency stop. This is a gas station. The man stop crossway when nobody can go to the side of the pump, nobody can go to the side of the pump, and the man just stop the jeep crossway and run gone in at the store just so if you go and buy something. Nobody can use the pump until him come out and move the police vehicle. And if somebody else do that, a problem. Watch him a look for a girl body so watch him. Watch him. Different place in Ghana no back at the girl body just so in Ghana. And watch her. When I was born I never seen nothing like this yet. See there? Nobody can go on the pump. See the next man I come in front of me. Me can't go on the pump go get me gas because him have to the film business. Make how we did try that no?
Now my people, even though I'm not able to confirm if every words that the person said in the video are accurate pertaining to the situation that the person was talking about. It really actually look away. The way how the motor vehicle they at that angle and so forth, it look away, even though I'm not able to confirm if every words that the person said are accurate. But anyways, you can tell if you agree or if you disagree with what the person said in that video. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, my people, a video has been brought to my attention that shows a situation that I consider to be disturbing. I mean, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happen when a person was holding someone around the neck in a way that some people might call a throat hold or a neck hold, that's what some people might call it. And the person also threw the person down, causing the person to lay face down for a certain amount of seconds or time. In my point of view, I think the person threw the person down towards what I consider to be a type of pavement. You understand me? And then what I really and truly find somewhat disturbing in the video up to a certain point is that when the person who was laying face down moved to a certain amount of ways, the other person hit that person. So I'm wondering, why? Now, I do got the understanding, well, allegedly, it seems as if there was some type of disagreement or some form of dislike that developed into a situation like this. But in my point of view, I think it would have been better if they talked over their differences, or it better than they just walk away. But this is what happened, people. I'm going to present the video to you. Please bear in mind that this video shows when a person hits someone, and this video also shows when a person hold that person what is considered to be a chokehold, and the person also throw the person down, causing the person to lay face down. I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Look, observe, and tell me what to think about this bad situation. Observe. Now, I'm not sure what the person might have taken and left. And I think it's more than obvious that that happened right where at least one business place was at. So I say, what caused that situation? I don't know. But I do find the situation to be disturbing. I do find the situation to be disturbing. So, my people, I'm not being disrespectful. I'm just saying. It would have been better if those persons talk over their differences. What if that situation went worse than what it already was? So I saw a video that shows some things that happened when a person who was in uniform sprayed something on someone that is believed to be pepper spray. The person who was in uniform also did something that made me wonder if that person did something that I found inappropriate. Because it just looked away. Okay, so I got the understanding that police arrived at a location. And then the situation reached to a point where a person who was in uniform sprayed something on the person and they did something that I'm thinking. My people, I'm going to present the video to you and I'm going to read some words from the comment section of where that video had been posted on social media. Because I wonder if I was the only person thinking what I saw in the video. You see me, I say? And I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video had been recorded. People, look at this video and tell me what you think a person who you can see that type of uniform had done. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
What did I do? Okay, back again. We're having the same problem now with our illegal immigrants. Now they are fighting with our officials now. They are fighting with our officials now. They cannot understand the law that they are being applied on them. They are fighting.
That lean forward part there. That is what I've been thinking. I'm wondering what the person had done. Why the person leaned away forward? Because that had me. Alright, well. So let me go to the comment section, my people. Now, before I start, I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if any words in any of these comments are accurate or even true pertaining to the situation. So some words in a comment from someone are, did I see the security guy spitting at him after he pepper sprayed him? Words in another comment are, was the pepper spray necessary, or is it because he's a foreigner, everything is necessary? My people, I'm not able to confirm if any of the words in any of these comments are accurate or even true about the situation. So, words in another comment are, I'm currently listening to Bob Marley's Get Up, Stand Up. Words in another comment are, he didn't fight, he argued. There's a difference. Words in another comment are, does this incident requires pepper spraying him? Words in another comment are, did that police officer spit on him? But people, what do you think happened this one? See, the person in uniform, what do you think the person in uniform had done? Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think about that situation. So here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, man, you know where I watch.
Dancehall Skilla.